Have you seen these type of short videos before?
The chief task in life is simply this: to identify and separate matters so that I can say clearly to myself, which are externals not under my control, and which have to do with the choices I actually control.
I found an AI that can replicate this exact thing. So in this video, we're speaking about, really? AI can make still images talk? Best for Shorts and TikTok. Now, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. And here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Well, a few weeks ago, I was noticing videos that had all these kind of avatars on their faces that they could actually speak and get millions of views. And I was watching it and going, how do they do that? Well, I found a piece of equipment called 𝗲𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 images, and it will then allow the image to speak. Allow me to show you around the software. I'll leave a link for this in the description down below, by the way. Now this is the one that I created earlier, and it does take a while to render. It takes like up to 24 hours and maybe even a little bit more, especially right now, because it is dependent upon the server load. So if the server is being really heavily used, it will take longer to render your video. So this is what it actually looks like.
The chief task in life is simply this: to identify and separate matters so that I can say clearly to myself, which are externals not under my control, and which have to do with the choices I actually control.
So all I had to do was upload an image, then I got it to write the script for me. I chose the voice that I wanted to use, and then hit start. And it created the entire thing for me. Now, it's really good for things like video shorts, as well as TikTok and Instagram and all those kind of places. So if you want to be able to create videos that are going to go viral, this is the kind of thing you're going to need. And then what you need to do after that is you then edit it in CapCut, and you can create an entire video. And I created this 41-second video in CapCut. Now, with that, I was able to then add my text into it and put it into this kind of frame if I wish to. You can go through, and if I wanted to, I could also look at putting a stock video behind it if I wanted to, but I didn't do that in this particular case. And all I had to do is just hit that.
The chief task in life is simply this: to identify and...
I added my music to it, and then eventually had my entire video created, which was really super easy and simple to do. Took about, once the video was actually ready, took only about 10 minutes to do. So you can actually create this. Now, let me show you how you go about doing this. If you're looking for a voiceover for your next project, why not consider an AI voice generator and text-to-speech platform called 𝗬𝗲𝗁. It uses realistic AI voices that will captivate your audience. 𝗬𝗲𝗁 is the go-to AI voiceover generator and text-to-speech platform for over 500,000 creators, saving them 90% of their time and budget. Experience the full power of cutting-edge text-to-speech, online video editor, AI voices, AI art, and an AI writing generator that delivers premium results for your next project. With over 500,000 users, you know you're in good company. You can use 𝗬𝗁 for advertising, education, explainer videos, YouTube videos, corporate training, audiobooks, podcasts, social media, product demos, and customer service IVR. Let's go inside 𝗬𝗁 and I'll introduce you to Jenny. Jenny is feature-rich and gives you unparalleled voiceover production powered by realistic AI voices. Not only that, but you now have the power to not only produce professional videos with realistic human-sounding voices, you can even use Jenny's AI writer to create your video or audio script. It includes a powerful, easy-to-use video editor so that you don't have to use multiple softwares to get your video produced. You can even use their AI art generator to create original images to include in your videos. Jenny from 𝗬𝗁 allows you to be able to select over 100 different voices from around the world. So why would you want to use AI voiceovers instead of real human voices? Number one, if the language you're using isn't your main language, you can use 𝗬𝗁's AI voiceovers to give you a native sounding voice that suits that country's audience. Number two, it's faster than trying to use your own voice or hiring a voiceover artist to create the voiceover. Number three, you don't have to re-record your voice every time you make a mistake. And number four, It's cheaper than hiring a professional voiceover artist. At the moment, 𝗬𝗏 has a special 50% discount for a limited time. Grab a yearly pro account for a whopping 50% off. Right now, you can join 𝗬𝗏 for only $24 a month when you grab the yearly subscription. Link is in the description down below. So grab 𝗬𝗏 today. I know you'll love it as much as I do. First thing you need to do is I'm going to go over to the easy mode. You've got easy, advanced, and hyper mode. Now I've got one waiting in the hyper mode at the moment. So I'll just go to the video list and this will show you the one that I've got waiting for me right now. This one here is pending and it's getting closer to the point where it's going to start rendering for me very soon. And hopefully it'll be ready by tonight. But anyway, saying that, what you need to really do is just go over here to easy mode if you wish to get started. Go over here to create video, click on that. And then what you need to do to start off with is just give this a title. I'm going to call this one 𝗬𝗂𝗂 and I'm going to now hit continue. Now we can add an image. I'm just going to go grab an image for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down until I find the statue image that I'm after. It'll be one of 𝗬𝗂𝗂. That will do. I'll just go this one, 𝗬𝗂𝗂, double click on that and that'll add this to here. And once it's done that, I can then hit continue. There we are. All I have to do now is hit continue. Now I'm going to text to audio. So I'm just going to go text to audio, click on that. I want to be able to create some text for me. So I'm going to get the AI to actually create it for me. So this one here is created by ChatGPT. So let's now go, okay, so what I wrote was a quote from 𝗬𝗂𝗂 about being happy with what you already have. Also include an explanation and write it as if 𝗬𝗂𝗂 is saying it. Then all we have to do is hit generate. And what that will do is it will generate the text in here for you. Now I'd highly recommend that once it does this, you have a bit of a read of it because you want to make sure it is as you want it. True happiness is not attained by acquiring more, but appreciating and finding a contentment with what you already have. 𝗬𝗂𝗂. In these words, I urge you to recognize the fallacy of constantly seeking external sources of happiness. The human desire for more possessions, achievements, and status only leads to an unending cycle of dissatisfaction. Instead, shift your focus towards appreciating the blessings that surround you every day. By cultivating gratitude and contentment for the present moment, you will discover a deep sense of fulfillment and lasting happiness that cannot be found in the pursuit of endless desires. Embrace what you have, for true happiness lies within your own perspective. Now, that was written as if he said it. Now that I really like. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose one of these voices. I'm going to keep it as Google, of course US English, and then all I'm going to do is choose one of the voices. So I'm going to choose Samuel in this particular case, and then we're going to hit generate. Now what's going to happen is it's going to generate the voice, and you can have a listen to what it actually sounds like.
True happiness is not attained by acquiring more, but by appreciating and finding contentment with what you already have. 𝗬𝗂𝗂 in these words, I urge you to
Okay, so as you can see, it wasn't quite right, so you just have to click on that again. What I suggest you do is you put a full stop there at the end of that, and then get it to regenerate the audio again. And then have another listen to it again.
True happiness is not attained by acquiring more, but by appreciating and finding contentment with what you already have. 𝗬𝗂𝗂. In these words, I urge you to recognize the fallacy of constantly seeking external sources of happiness.
Okay, I'm not going to go all the way through. That went for 43 seconds, so you know that that will happily fit within a Shorts video or a TikTok video, not a problem at all. So all you then have to do is simply hit submit. And then what that's going to do is data has been saved successfully. Your video will be rendered between 30 minutes up to 24 hours based on server load. Sometimes it may render within 10 minutes as well. Don't expect it to render within 10 minutes, as it's never done that for me. Expect around 24 hours. In fact, seeing it's actually the launch week for this product, I'd suggest that maybe even up to 48 hours. So don't expect the video to really be ready for about 24 to 48 hours, because right now, while it's still at its peak and lots of people are using it and checking it out, it's highly likely that it's going to be taking a little bit longer to render. It might take hopefully 24 hours, maybe less. Hopefully less. That'd be nice. Okay, so this is called 𝗤𝗏𝗪𝐹 AI. I'm so excited that I've discovered this because I love what it can do. Okay guys, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? So leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of 𝗤𝗏𝗪𝐹 AI. Now just also to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now if you click on that or poke me in the forehead with your finger, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.